Hello everyone and welcome. Today's a reference to Guy Fawkes Bonfire Night. So what does this mean? Every 5th of November in Britain on Guy Fawkes Day we remember the plot of 1605 when Guy Fawkes attempted and failed to destroy Parliament. Bonfires can have spiritual significance in a number of ways, including purification, used in ancient times to purify and consecrate people and things. A poem. The bonfire blazed, a bright light, such heat, blaze becoming smoke weaving to sky, then smouldering, as with age, but still the heat, without the rage, flames gone, embers glow, like love in later life, still burns, but slow. Guy Fawkes, Bonfire Night.